Hello lettering friend, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights, and I have this whole box of really fun journaling stationery supplies to show you. So usually my journal is filled with my hand lettering and just using brush pens, what I can make with that. I don't use a lot of extra things, but recently I have been wanting to use paper and stickers and washi tape, and I've just been exploring what it might be like to add all these different things, and some of them turn out kind of weird and some of them I absolutely love. And I also enjoy adding things to be a collage. So I have a collage journal, and I found that stickers make a really easy collage, but I can only use my daughter's stickers so much, right? And that's why I decided I needed to try something new. So I went on Amazon and I found all of these really fun things, and I'm so excited to share them with you. Let's take a look at the washi tape first. I'm really excited about this washi tape because I have a lot of patterns of washi tape, but I realized that I just need an easy rainbow gradient. So these are great. I'm really excited about these butterfly washi tapes because the gold foil, and also I still have the rainbow colors through each of these, but with butterflies. They're so cute. These black and white washi tapes are going to be so great to add details and use them with all of my colorful washi tapes. I love having black accents, so these are perfect. I definitely had to try these mini washi tapes because they are tiny little designs on them, and they are in rainbow colors. Take a look at how cute this is. Oh, I am so excited to use these ones. They're just really tiny. Next, let's look at the stickers. So these ones are a bunch of floral stickers, all in different colors, so I can do the rainbow style. So the reason I got these vintage fashion stickers was because I love this book, Pattern Behavior. It is really funny, just looking at old patterns and making captions for them. So I thought I had to see if I could make my own captions with these stickers. And it also came with these little tweezers to help peel off the stickers. I just think these stickers are hilarious. I cannot wait to figure out how to use them. These are tiny little sticker books that are probably 2 by 3 inches, and they're just aesthetic photos that I think would be really fun to try and use. Okay, so it's like washi tape, like that transparent and really thin feel. So it's not an actual sticker, it's like washi tape. Okay, this one is like really strange, but I'm also kind of intrigued to figure out how to use some of these stickers in here. It's just a whole book filled with stickers, like totally random stickers. Oh, they are so weird, and I think it's gonna be really fun to try and, oh, here's Halloween page. It'll be fun to try and figure out how to use them, because this is really out of my ordinary. But that's just kind of what I've been craving lately. I want to try something totally different. And I like that there's some fun letters in the back here. These are going to be really fun to do something with, and maybe we'll spark some ideas for lettering styles. It's a pretty hefty book. I got these tiny little journals because I've been seeing some journaling videos that use these, and I thought it would be fun to experiment with a just really teeny journaling. So these pages aren't super thick or smooth, but I like it's such a small space that I could just glue on whatever paper that I have, or maybe I'll just use Crayola markers. We'll see what comes of these little journals. I just think they're so cute, and it might be kind of fun to do something different and experiment with just a tiny little section instead of doing the full blank page. If you stuck around through all of that, let me show you some examples of what I've made with the things that I bought. So this page, I was just trying to use as many different washies and stickers as I could, and I love how it turned out. It's really colorful. I'm really excited about all the different elements that I got. And then I had to share with you the Halloween page that I made, since it is almost Halloween. And this is totally out of my element. I don't do spooky, I don't do skeletons normally, but this was really fun just to make this cute little collage of stickers. It was so easy and helped me feel creative in a different way. And that is what I am excited about, all of these things that I got. And then I also just made a collage of stickers in the front of this journal that I had. It was just a blank inside cover, and it needed something, and this was an easy way to fill it and kind of explore what these floral stickers are going to be. I hadn't been using this organizing case, so I pulled it out to organize these new things that I have. And I think it turned out really well. So, stickers in this one. And then this book is just gonna have to go on top. As I started using the stickers, I needed a better organization. So I made these tiny little boxes, and now I can reach in and grab these stickers really easily. And then with my vintage fashion stickers, I just put them in the little envelope they came in. And then here's how that one went. If you are really into journaling, but you need some ideas, here is a video with 10 ways to fill your journal. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. I will see you next time.